Very good. Oh, well, there's audio still.
Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Lozano,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lozano, my name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights.
Mm-hmm.
And how old are you, sir?
I'm 23, Your Honor.
All right. Our records indicate that you are issued 2 citations, 2 tickets, expired registration, and operating unregistered motor vehicle. Is that correct?
That is correct. At the time,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Go ahead.
At the time, I wasn't living in Lubbock, San Antonio. I was living in Lubbock. So when I came down to visit on my day of departure, going back to Lubbock, that's when the cop pulled me over and gave me all that. And I ended up getting that handled back when I moved back over here to San Antonio. So, but yes, I did. That is correct.
All right. So you were given receipts, and do you have anything to prove what you just said? Because we need something to
Yes,
put in
sir.
our records.
Yes, sir. I have it in my car. I wasn't too sure of how this was going to work out because I had called a few times to get it handled. And they told me due to the pandemic that they weren't going to have like physical meetings. You know
Tell
what I
me,
mean?
is it operating an unregistered motor vehicle? Well, what's all that about?
The sticker, it was when I bought the car, it was expired. The stickers, the blue sticker on the side.
Okay, but who's the car registered to?
Right now it's registered unto me, but it was registered to the owner that was back in Lubbock. It was ex-family member now. But she
Okay.
had sold the car to me and it was still under her title. I got the title sent to me a couple months ago and I already got that handled. It's under mine now. It's under mine. The stickers, everything's good. I do have the paperwork in my car though.
All right. Let me turn you over to the clerk so you can send that in, and I'll review it and I'll let you know what I have to say. I mean, on it. So let me, the expired registration would be a $20 dismissal fee. That's correct, right? That would be $20 dismissal fee, compliance dismissal fee, and you could pay that. How much time would you need to pay that, Mr. Lozano?
I get paid this Friday.
All right. You could pay that and send in the registration, the new registration on your vehicle, so I can look at it
Yes, sir.
to see why you were cited as operating an unregistered motor vehicle. Because
when he stopped me, I had not done that. Like it was still registered under her, not me. You know, I don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah, it wasn't registered. It was her car, but she sold it to me. And the title was not given to me until after when I moved back to San Antonio because she ended up mailing it to me, as well as this letter of release that they needed for me to continue on signing over the title to me.
all right, well, send me the information you got and let me review that, okay? And let me transfer your call this call to the clerk of the court. And I'm going to reset the operating unregistered motor vehicle for 30 days so I get a chance to review the paperwork that you have.
Okay.
And talk to the prosecutor as well as review the statute that it's been filed under to see how it applied.
Okay.
And we'll get back to you within the week. I mean, within the month. Okay.
Would it be
The other one you can take care of. Excuse me?
Will it be through mail again, Your Honor? Or how
Wait.
we are reaching me?
We'll contact you through your email. Do we have that?
I'm not too sure.
Excuse me?
We can.
Yeah, we can contact you through the email, but don't give it to me now because we are live.
Okay.
And I'd rather that not be made public. And
No, that's fine.
so you can give that to the clerk of the court and we'll contact you through email.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Okay, then I'll transfer you to the clerk of the court. Thank you for appearing, Mr. Lozano.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day.
Take care. Bye.
Okay, Mr. Lozano. I'm going to go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's going to get that information from you as well as giving you the email so that you can send us the documentation, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you. Do I join breakout room?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Not yet, sir. Let me get him.
Hello,
Your name?
Kevin Lopez?
Kevin Lopez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Lopez, let me go ahead and get your case up. So it'll be just one moment, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Lopez. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
My name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records show that you were issued one citation back in March, 6th of March, for failed to maintain financial responsibility. In other words, no liability insurance when you received the ticket.
Yes, sir.
Were you insured on that day when you got the ticket? At the time you got the ticket, I should say.
Well, I had just bought the vehicle and I was trying to show the officer the paperwork. I showed him my insurance.
You're kind of
for
breaking
my
up a little
other
bit.
car that I own, and he started on the 13th.
You kind of, unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to hear you because for some reason our connection wasn't very good. Would you mind telling me again? Maybe it'll be better this time.
Okay, I'm sorry, Judge. I had just purchased the vehicle and I had insurance on my other vehicle that I own. And I told the officer that my situation, and I said, and I showed him the insurance card for my other vehicle. And he said, well, that doesn't work. You need to be insured in this vehicle, even though, I mean, Texas law says 2 to 30 days on that. But anyway, and so I told him, I said, well, no, I mean, here's my insurance card for my other vehicles. And then they were all valid. And he still issued me the ticket.
How long have you been driving with that? How long had you had that car when you were given the citation?
Oh, I purchased the car on the 4th and it was in the shop. And so I picked it up that day. That was the other thing I tried to show him was like, I picked it up that day.
That you
I bought 2 days before.
You picked it up the day that you, I mean, okay, you kind of broke up
Got
again.
pulled
So
over.
you bought the car and you received the citation. How many days after you bought the car?
2 days, sir.
Oh, okay. Well,
2
send
days.
us proof of that. Send us proof of your insurance. Send us proof of
Okay.
your purchase of the vehicle, and we will review it. And if everything works out, if everything is as you state, if the dates are correct, then you will notify you our decision within the next month. Okay.
Okay.
Do we
Who do
have
I
your
send it
email
to?
address?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, we don't, but I don't want you to tell it to us because we are live.
Okay,
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer you over to the clerk of the court,
okay,
and she'll give you information as to how you can get that information to us. You can either drop it off or send it as an attachment.
okay.
And we'll get your email, and we'll contact you with my decision after I've reviewed the paperwork, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so just wait a minute, and the clerk will be right with you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Lopez.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
gonna go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's gonna get your email information as well as giving you the information to the court email if you're wanting to send the paperwork by email, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No problem. Phone number ending 093. Can you unmute?
Me?
No, no, Spencer. It's another number that we have.
You're telling me to join the breakout room, go?
Oh, well, no, you can, but not right now. There's nobody there.
Hello, is this Mrs. Miss
Oh, God. No, Yvonne spoke with him already, but. Okay, person. Phone number ending. Phone number ending 093. Hello? Phone number ending 093. We cannot hear you. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll call him again because if he's not responding to me. Hello? Phone number 488. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, ma'am. Your name?
Erin Sign?
Aaron Signs?
Yes.
Okay. Give me one moment while I look up your case.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
There. Registration.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Ms. Sines.
Yes,
My name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records indicate that you were issued one ticket, one citation for expired registration back on the 1st of March. And I ask you, have you had a chance to renew your registration?
yes, sir. I actually got that taken care of yesterday.
All right. Would you please email us a copy of the receipt? And we'll give you the email is court, COURT, at BH, that is B as in boy, H as in hair, TX.gov.
Okay,
Okay, if you would email that to us, and I'll review it, and it will be a $20 compliance dismissal fee. Can you pay
okay.
that sometime during this week, or will you be needing more time?
No, I can take care of that this week.
Okay, and do we have your email address? Well, I guess we will when you send it to us.
Yes, sir. I'll get that over right now.
Okay, well, let me transfer you over to the clerk of the court, and she'll want to speak to you a little further, okay?
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Sines. So I'm gonna go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's gonna get your email address where to send the paperwork, and then we'll just take
Okay.
it from there, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Unmute your phone, please. There you go. Name?
Okay, here we go.
What is your name?
David Rosenberg?
David Rosenberg?
Yes,
Okay, Mr. Rosenberg, give me 1 second. Let me look up your case, okay?
thank you.
Go ahead.
Mr. Rosenberg, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. My name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records indicate that you were issued one citation on the 11th of March for disregarding a traffic control device. That's all the information I have, so I do not know what that device could be. I can't forward you this case over to the prosecutor, where you can chat with him, discuss the evidence that he may have, maybe a dash cam video or whatever, report, and try and resolve the issue, because I don't know what traffic control device they're saying that you may have disregarded. So would you prefer to talk to the prosecutor about this case, or have you, I mean, you have an absolute right to do that before you decide how you'd like to proceed?
I mean, yeah, I'm not too sure myself what it meant by when I read the traffic control device. So, yeah, I mean, as far as clearing it up.
Yes, well, let me refer you to our prosecutor, Mr. Neely. He'll be with you in a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Rosenberg, I'm gonna send you with the prosecutor. Just make sure to accept the next step, okay?
Okay. No
Thank
problem.
you.
You're welcome.